Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the JSON Server fake REST API. So today we are going to learn about the basic CRUD operations sorting data. So today we are going to learn about the how to sort the data. So let's get started. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please to subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's see how we are going to do that. So first we have a so we are going to use the postman. Okay, so here we have the postman, right? So currently we are sorting via title and ascending. So this is the details, hello world and the JSON server, these two records we have, and the title is hello world and J, H and J. Okay, the next, if I want to do with a descending order, okay, so just add the descending and sort by the title like this, and JSON server is on the top and the hello world is on the second one. Okay, so this is how we have a sorting part that we can do. So if you are integrating in an API, whether it's to be a Angular, React, Next, okay, and whether it's to be Android and iOS, do the same thing. Okay, any doubt, any query, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.